Archangel Michael says, "My dear beautiful soul, the energy around you is shifting in powerful and unseen ways. The old cycles that once held you back are dissolving, and a new pathway of light is opening before you. The challenges you've faced were not meant to destroy you, but to strengthen your wings for the flight ahead. I have been beside you through every tear, every moment of uncertainty, and every quiet prayer you whispered into the night. If you feel this, say, I am ready for my new beginning. The universe is rearranging itself to honor your growth. What once seemed delayed is now aligning with divine precision. The people, opportunities, and blessings that are meant for you are finding their way into your life, perfectly timed, perfectly shaped for your soul's highest purpose. You are entering a chapter of ease, clarity, and fulfillment. Do not fear the endings, they are only doorways to miracles waiting to unfold. Type yes if you can feel your blessings approaching. You have outgrown the vibrations that no longer resonate with your divine frequency. That is why certain things have been falling away: relationships, habits, fears, and environments that no longer serve your expansion. You are being purified by divine light, prepared for a higher level of abundance and peace. The old version of you is fading because a stronger, wiser, and more radiant version is rising from within. Affirm aloud, I am evolving into my divine self. I, Archangel Michael, am cutting away all cords of fear, doubt, and limitation that have kept you from fully embracing your power. You no longer have to carry the weight of past disappointments. Your heart is being healed. Your mind is being renewed. Your path is being cleared of all blockages. Step forward with courage, for heaven walks with you. If this resonates, say, I claim my freedom now. You have been asking for signs, and this message is one of them. You are not forgotten. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are right where you need to be for your next transformation to begin. Trust that the delays were divine protection, and the waiting was sacred preparation. Nothing you have experienced is wasted in the eyes of God. Type Amen if you receive this with faith. The angels are surrounding you with love and assurance. They are whispering into your spirit that everything you've prayed for is already on its way. The breakthroughs you seek are not a dream, they are already manifesting in the unseen realm. You will soon witness visible proof of answered prayers. Your finances, relationships, and purpose will begin to flourish in alignment with your soul's readiness. Declare, my breakthrough is unfolding now. The winds of change may feel intense, but they are carrying away stagnation and ushering in divine momentum. You are being guided to trust your intuition, to move with love rather than fear, and to release what no longer serves your peace. Every decision made from faith becomes a seed of blessing. Every moment you choose peace over panic, love over anger, faith over doubt, you move closer to your divine destiny. If you choose peace today, say, I walk in faith. Remember, beloved one, you are never walking alone. When you feel heavy, call upon me. When you are uncertain, invite my presence. I will protect your energy, lift your spirit, and guide your steps. I am the warrior of light who stands before you and behind you, ensuring that no darkness can overpower your divine glow. Type, thank you, Archangel Michael, to welcome my protection. There is divine timing in everything you experience. You are learning to trust the unfolding rather than rushing it. The answers will come. The healing will complete. The love you deserve will find you effortlessly. Your only task now is to keep your heart open and your faith alive. Every sunrise is proof that you are being given another chance to walk in grace and purpose. Say, I trust divine timing, if your heart agrees. The coming weeks will bring evidence of divine orchestration. You will meet someone who helps you, hear a message that uplifts you, or receive an opportunity that feels heaven-sent. When it happens, you will know that this message was true. You are stepping into alignment with your higher path, a place of serenity, success, and spiritual abundance. Type, I am aligned with my highest good. The light within you is unstoppable. Do not hide it, and do not shrink yourself to fit into old spaces. The world needs your kindness, your wisdom, and your love. You are a vessel of healing energy wherever you go. As you rise, others will rise too, inspired by your faith and courage. You are the miracle someone else has been praying for. If you believe you carry divine light, say, I am a blessing. Now take a deep breath and release all tension. Let go of worry about how or when things will happen. Simply know that they will. The divine has heard you, the angels are working, and the universe is aligning in your favor. Miracles are not far away, they are already moving toward you with speed and precision. Affirm, everything is coming together for me in miraculous ways. Go forward, my dear beautiful soul, with peace in your heart and confidence in your steps. You are protected, guided, and deeply loved. Every chapter of your story is sacred, and this next one will be filled with beauty, abundance, and joy. Type yes, I receive this blessing, to seal it with faith. 1111 The universe has heard your prayers and seen your silent efforts. A powerful alignment is taking place behind the scenes. You are stepping into a season where miracles flow easily to you. Everything that once seemed uncertain is coming together perfectly. Type yes to receive your divine breakthrough. 2222 You are about to receive everything you have prayed for. God is arranging everything in your favor. The delays were not denials, they were divine preparation for something greater. The blessings that belong to you cannot miss you. Type yes to believe. 3333 Angels are guiding you toward balance, joy, and divine fulfillment. You are walking into a chapter of answered prayers, peace, and expansion. The energy around you is shifting to match your intentions. Type 3333 to claim your alignment. 4444 You are surrounded by angelic protection. Every obstacle that stood in your way is being removed. Doors of opportunity are opening that no one can close. You are safe, loved, and guided. Type 4444 to affirm your divine security. 5555 Massive change is unfolding in your favor. The universe is realigning everything to match your higher destiny. What you once thought was lost is being restored with increase and grace. Type 5555 to receive your transformation. 6666 You are being called to return to inner balance and peace. God is refocusing your life toward purpose and prosperity. You are not off track, you are being redirected to something better. Type 6666 to align with divine order. 7777 The blessings you've been waiting for are about to overflow. You are entering a time of divine luck, healing, and joy. Everything you've gone through is now turning into favor and reward. Type 7777 to open your hands and receive. 8888 A new wave of abundance is flowing into your life. Financial doors are opening, and divine provision is on the way. You are being elevated to experience success and peace beyond your imagination. Type 8888 to accept your prosperity. 9999 A powerful completion is here. The old chapter is closing for good. You are stepping into renewal, freedom, and divine favor. Everything that left your life made space for miracles to enter. Type 9999 to welcome your new beginning. 1010 A divine reset is unfolding. Your path is being cleared of confusion and resistance. God is aligning everything to bring you closer to your purpose and joy. Type 1010 to step into divine flow. 1112 You are being reminded that your prayers are never in vain. The universe is moving energy, people, and timing to fulfill what your heart desires. Keep trusting the unseen plan. Type 1112 to affirm your trust. 1212 Balance, peace, and divine partnerships are aligning in your favor. You are walking into a timeline filled with blessings, clarity, and joy. The angels are preparing something extraordinary. Type 1212 to receive your miracles. 1313 You are in a season of divine awakening. The pain that once confused you will soon make sense as blessings begin to appear. Everything is happening for your highest good. Type 1313 to declare your faith. 1414 You are entering a time of divine rebuilding. What was broken will be restored. What was lost will return multiplied. Heaven is rebuilding your foundation stronger than ever before. Type 1414 to claim your restoration. 1515 major shifts are happening. Do not fear the unknown, it carries your breakthrough. The universe is removing what blocks your joy and replacing it with endless blessings. Type 1515 to step into divine change. 1616 You are divinely supported in every way. Angels are working behind the scenes to guide your heart and open new paths. What you've been waiting for will come effortlessly. Type 1616 to receive angelic support. 1717 You are stepping into a destiny moment. The dreams you've been nurturing are about to bloom. Divine timing is finally here, and everything will unfold in your favor. Type 1717 to affirm your destiny. 1818 Prosperity and balance are aligning for you. The seeds you planted through faith and patience are now bearing fruit. Stay open, your blessings are closer than you think. Type 1818 to welcome abundance. 1919 Your spiritual evolution is reaching new levels. You are being prepared for expansion, elevation, and deep peace. The lessons of the past are transforming into blessings for the future. Type 1919 to step into new growth. 2020 A divine restart is here. God is renewing your heart, your strength, and your faith. Everything that once felt delayed is now catching up to you with grace. Type 2020 to believe in divine renewal. 2121 Harmony is returning to your life. The storms you faced are settling, and peace is replacing worry. You are being rewarded for your patience and faithfulness. Type 2121 to claim your harmony. 2323 Your angels are reminding you that you are not alone. Support is coming from unexpected places. The universe is placing the right people in your path for your next elevation. Type 2323 to receive divine help. 2424 You are protected and guided. Even in silence, God is working on your behalf. Trust that every delay, every shift, and every detour was part of His plan. Type 2424 to affirm your trust. 2525 You are stepping into a time of quick manifestation. What you have been praying for will show up suddenly. Stay aligned, stay grateful, and stay ready. Type 2525 to call in your miracle. 2626 Your spiritual strength is bringing great reward. The struggles you've endured are birthing blessings beyond measure. Heaven is proud of your faith and endurance. Type 2626 to affirm your victory. 2727 You are awakening to divine truth. Clarity, peace, and joy are entering your life as confusion fades away. You are being guided by light toward your higher purpose. Type 2727 to accept divine wisdom. 2828 Abundance is flowing from every direction. What once seemed difficult will now come easily. The divine realm is turning your efforts into effortless success. Type 2828 to receive your abundance. 2929 Your journey is blessed. Everything that seemed like loss is preparing you for gain. The universe is realigning your path toward greatness and serenity. Type 2929 to affirm your breakthrough. 3030 A powerful new era begins for you now. The lessons, pain, and growth have prepared you for what's next. Expect miracles, divine encounters, and blessings on every side. Type 3030 to welcome your divine season.